Okay, so this is Dr. B, and we're going to take 20% off $250. Let's call it $250. First thing we do, enter the original number. That's the 250. And then we're going to multiply by the percentage as a decimal. So 20%, we want that as a decimal. It's 0.20, or you could just call it 0.2. So we multiply by 0.2, and then we make sure we hit the equals, and it's 50. So what that means, that $50, that's 20% of 250. It's a portion, a 20% portion of 250. So we save $50. If we want to know our final price, we take the original amount, that's the $250 there, and we subtract that from the amount off, that $50. And we see that our final price is $200. So $200 is what you'll pay when you take 20% off $250. Some calculators have this percent sign here. I don't really like that. It works differently sometimes on different calculators. You might not even have it on mobile. But that's it. Jump over to my next video or leave a comment on this one. Thanks for watching.